Yes, good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Lokesh, and more other people, lot of here. Okay, now here the session is about for ICET webinar. That is how to score 100% in reasoning in ICET examinations. See, okay, first of all, you see here, ICET is not a big competitive exam. It's a very easiest competitive examination. We can easy to score 100% score from the reasoning area. The reasoning part, which is area, is scoring more marks. Okay, and even less time also. So what are the strategic levels to get the more score within least time? Let us will see with some examples also. And before that, see some screens now. Now, highlights of the sessions. That is, first, what is syllabus is covered from the reasoning. From which part we have syllabus. Next, topic wise, from each of the topic, what kind of questions are how many questions? Let us will see. Next, inputs and strategy and time management. This is the most important. ఇది చాలా important area. See, a lot of people spend, they are concentrating to get only for answers. Okay. Not only the answer, along with the answer, how much time you spend on that particular question, which is very important. Okay. I will tell you how these questions will be handled next. Discussions and important type of models. So regularly from the last many years, regularly what kind of type of questions are coming in ICET. Let us will see about them also, and how those questions we can handle easily also will discuss next. An approach and strategies to solve the questions in less time, that I want to say here will be fine in less time. See, answer is not important, of course is important, but of in less time only. Now, see, this is the screen I given you. This is API set 2024 and 2023. Then you compare here. See, the weightage not exactly for every question in every year. It will be some fluctuated between 1 and 2 questions plus or minus. See, first one here, number series, letter series, number and letter series. Okay, all this. This is only about numbers. This is only about letter, mixing of number and letter series. Total of this topic in your textile, I said reasoning textbook exercise 1A. So 9 plus 3, that is 12 questions from only the topic number and letter series in 2024 last year. But in 2023, almost is here nearby 13 or 14 questions are there. 14 questions are there. See, just only 1 and 2 difference between of here 2 years, but not marginal difference. So overall, we can say easily 10 questions minimum from this topic. It is a one of the major topic in ICET. Next, letter analogy, number analogy, verbal analogy, number and letter combination analogy. These are all four topics are is exercise 2A from the our textbooks. Okay. Letter only for a letter alphabets, number only number, verbal. Verbal means what? For example, if I give one can, when dog is related to puppy, then what is related to pig? This is a verbal. How the dog and puppy, baby of the dog is known as puppy. Then baby of the pig is called as piglet. That likes. So and number and letter analogy combination. All of these four you have around 3 to 5 averagely from 2024 and 2022 also. In 2023, we have a analogy questions in API set is very less because of number series concentrated on there only. Okay. In 2024, we have analogy questions are more because of number series questions are only 12. So overall, the two topics about the series and analogies, all of this is covered by around 15 questions and easily చెప్పొచ్చు. So look like the pattern, the questions is slightly different, but solving the requirement information, the basic part, approach, and everything is common for about these two topics. Okay, so what kind of the basic information we are sorry sorry we are using in the series, the same thing also are uses for analogy. This approach, the way of approach slightly different. So 15 questions we can easy to cover from the topic. Next, odd man out, verbal odd man out, number odd man out, letter odd man out. This is a second book. Average గా మీకు ఇక్కడ నుంచి 10 క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తాయమ్మా. 10 అంటే నాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ, జస్ట్ ఇన్ వేరియేషన్, some -1 or some +1. In 2024 you have questions are about around between sometime some of the session 8, 9, 10 ఇలా ఫ్లక్చుయేట్ అయింది అంతే. But here 2023 you got some less weightage from there. Around 5 to 8 questions are in between. Next, coding decoding. This is a major topic. More scoring topic. Okay. Here's in both the sessions you have 6 and 6 questions. 2023, 2024. Actually, earlier ICET examination from the coding decoding and a few years back, they have 10 questions definitely fixed weightage. But last 2 years, if you compare, then some marks are reduced. But overall, the topic is covered. Mark scoring topic it is completely. Okay. Next, clocks and calendar. Okay, topics are different, but according to examiner point of view, both the topics are is covered by 3 to 4 questions. Generally, 3 questions. 4 questions are very rare cases. Okay, even 2023 we have 5 around between these two topics. Now, clocks and calendars after blood relation. Blood relation is only one question in every year, almost compulsory. Arrivals, departure, symbols, notation, seating arrangements, miscellaneous. All of these can be taken together around 10 questions in between. This is AP ICET analysis last 2 years, 2023 and 2024. Okay, next. Next screen, Telangana ICET. Now, Telangana ICET, just weightage you see 2023 and 2024, both years, same. Number series, letter series, the two topics. Number series only, number and letter. Here you see same, almost 9 to 10. So almost is 9 to 10. If just only earlier I said it is +1 or -1 in between. Average approximately 10. Analogy, number analogy, letter analogy, and both together number and letter analogy. Here is covered of 2 to 5 questions. 5 generally average ga maintain chestadamma. Average ga. When series questions from the 2024 is well less and 2023 less, so analogy questions are increased. So I said same logic, same thing in the AP I said also. The series analogy, both topics are around they will maintain by approximately averagely 15 questions. Of course, not exactly, will be reduced by 1 or increased by 1, around 15, not exactly. Both topics are together. Between them, major topic is series. Analogy question sometimes, I will tell you. From the last 25 years of history of ICET law, the 2 times you have only 15 questions from the series. There is no analogy question, zero in those 2 years. I don't know the particularly that year number, but series questions twice are given 15 only. So that's why the major topic is number series. Next, odd man out. Verbal odd man out, number based odd man out, mathematical based odd man out, and letter based odd man out. So concept is same in this related about number, letter, mathematical equation. Mathematical equations means what, coordinate equations, and now sometimes are concentrating matrix also. Okay, whatever. Here it is covered by, in 2024 we have weightage is very less, approximately around 5. Even though 2023 could have same around 5. But if you come Telangana ICET coding and decoding. See, I said 10 questions. This here it is 10 question. API set the screen. I will show you. There are 6 questions are only in last 2 years. But there here in this TG I said 10 questions. Okay. From the last 25 years, even before we divide or after divide, Telangana ICET is maintained properly 10 questions from the coding and decoding. So this is advantage here. All 10 questions we can easy to answer 10 out of 10 within very less time, not even 5 minutes also. That is very easiest questions. And how the questions will be handled already, I think in your physical classes they are already teachers. I don't know exactly, but okay, I will show you few questions from here now also. Next, clocks and calendar. I said 3 in the API said they have some increase. Here in API said clocks and calendars around here 6. This is here around 5. Because of coding decoding weightage is reduced to 6. That's why here the weightage of other topics are increased. But clocks and calendars in the both years of in Telangana ICET is 3 and 3. They maintain stable. Blood relations, Venn diagrams, Venn diagrams. See, Venn diagram questions are in Telangana ICET. We have here is 4, but AP ICET we don't have a weightage of the Venn diagrams. Okay, so just a small variations are exams in the from the reasoning. Arrivals, departure, symbols, notation, seating arrangements. All of these around 5 questions are from here it is. Okay, generally Venn diagrams are also happens 5 questions, but in the last 2 years is maintained properly 4 and 4 questions here. See, there is no lot of difference of topics between of the Telangana ICET and AP ICET. Almost all topics are same. The weightage also be same, but small changes is happens. So there is no the large variations are here. The level of difficulty also there is no difference. The same kind of level of difficulty from the both our states. Okay. Next. Now here the total reasoning. It is comes under the section 1 only. You have 3 sections. The section 1 reasoning and data sufficiency, section 2 mathematical, that is pure maths and quant, section 3 English and some other. In section 1 total contents of 75 questions. 75 questions. Among the 75, data sufficiency constantly it is maintained from the last many years 20 questions. Continuously 20 exactly, not increasing more than, not decreasing 20. See, data sufficiency which includes again few questions are pure maths, few questions are from quant, few questions are from reasoning also. Okay, so now here if you come reasoning around 10-20 questions you can easily covered by 5 questions from data sufficiency. Already we prepared reasoning, so in data sufficiency 5 questions easy we can cover from that. The mass and quant, okay, that is different. Next, problem solving. In this we have a 4 different category we divided. I said series and analogy odd man out. In earlier two exams, state exams, series and analogy almost is covered by 15 questions approximately. Okay, between each of the topic they can sharing of 10 plus 5 or 12 plus 3 in between, but approximately 10, 15. Odd man out is 10. Overall 25 questions. The concepts are different. Name is different. Series, analogy, odd man out. But to find answer about those 3 topics, minimum information required what? Squares and cubes, some multiplication tables, English alphabets 1 to 26, and what is other concept in letters, identifying of opposite letters, identifying of the corresponding letters. That's it. This is a very small information. 25 questions easily answered. Minimum. This is not I am explaining about extraordinary person. I am explaining about average student. Out of 25, minimum 20 easy we can cover. Minimum we can easy covered by 20. When if you by headed 30 squares compulsory, minimum 30 squares. Okay, the cube size is 15. Table should be required up to by head 20. So this is not even graduate levels. If all you are learned from your school level of standards, right? It's not a difficulty. మీరు చదివారు కానీ బై హార్ట్ చేయలేదు, అదే ప్రాబ్లం. చదివితే మార్కులు రావమ్మా, బై హార్ట్ చేయాలి, చేస్తేనే మార్కులు వస్తాయి. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఆఫ్ సెక్షన్ ఏ. ఇన్ బి, data interpretation and analysis. See, data interpretation analysis 10 questions. Venn diagram, ఇక్కడ Venn diagram include one of the part. Maybe data interpretation మీకు పై చార్ట్, ఫ్లో చార్ట్ ఏంటి, బార్ గ్రాఫ్, చాలా గ్రాఫ్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, అదొక 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. ప్లస్ వెన్ డయాగ్రామ్ ఆల్సో 5 క్వశ్చన్స్. అంటే జస్ట్ అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ ఐఎమ్ షోయింగ్ యూ ద పిక్చర్, నాట్ ఆల్వేస్ ఇస్ 5 and 5. When Venn diagram questions reduce, data interpretation will increase. That's only. Maybe sometimes if మీరు AP ICET చూసుంటే there is no Venn diagram questions. All 10 questions are totally data interpretation only. They maybe they have two different kind of sets, two different kind of bar graphs. Okay, so maybe chance here Telangana ICET, if you come Venn diagram included, so which is covered from here only. When Venn diagram is a one set weightage of between 3 to 5, other marks are scoring from data interpretations. If Venn diagram is covered, that is nothing, from that also we can easily score all 5 out of 5. Now coding decoding, this is the most important. Everybody who preparing ICET with minimum practice, ఓకే, ఓకే, అసలే చదవని వాటి గురించి వదిలేయండి, వాళ్ళ గురించి మనకు అనవసరం. సో హూ ప్రిపేరింగ్ వెరీ సీరియస్లీ అబౌట్ ఐసెట్, coding decoding is a major topic because of nothing is there inside, only A to Z alphabets, you know already from CLKG standard onwards. Okay. 1 minute. Okay, yeah, you already know one A to Z alphabets and their position values to be by handed. Next, what are the opposite letters and corresponding letters? Lot of people here is not by heading. I notices many students in my physical classes or online classes are here. See, they are ready to write A to Z on the paper. See, why you writing A to Z? Are you school student? You are the graduate. How much time will get to by head them 1 to 26? Maximum around half an hour. అంతకంటే ఎక్కువ టైం పట్టదు కదమ్మా. Maximum around half an hour. If you by head of all of these 10 questions, we can easily minimum in cool atmosphere, easy completed within 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes. If not by headed, then what? If you are counting with your fingers like A, B, C, D, or if you write the question means letters on your paperwork, so you can do it, will get more time. But coding decoding is very advantage topic in ICET. All 10 we can definitely get all 10 out of 10 within 5 minutes only. According to my, if you ask me, 5 minutes is more than enough to answer of all the 10 questions. Okay, now be careful that coding decoding first you prepare. Okay, is anybody can explain about opposite letters? Can you give the definitions please, anybody from here? Anybody? No. Okay, yeah, opposite letters means what here? Sum of the any two letter position values, if you get 27, that pair of letters are called as opposite letters. Once again I repeat, sum of any two alphabet positions, if you get 27, for example here I will tell you L is 12. 12 plus how much is 27? Verify. 15. What is the 15th letter? O. Enough. Closed. So opposite and corresponding letter, that's only. Okay, about coding decoding. Date, time and arrangement, problem solving, that is called all. arrivals and departures, seating arrangement, that is a part of linear arrangement and circular arrangements. Okay, these are all belongs to from here in symbols notations also. So around questions are covered of 10 questions. So this is a scenario for about the weightage from each of the topic. ఇక్కడ మీకు అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఏంటంటే చూసుకోండి అమ్మా, 25 క్వశ్చన్స్ సిరీస్ అనాలజీ ఆడ్ బై నోట్, ఇవన్నీ ఏంటంటే all belongs to same kind of family of questions. All the three topics are having the same kind of minimum requirements. So మీకు సిరీస్ వచ్చేసి అనాలజీ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ కూడా వచ్చేస్తుంది బై డిఫాల్ట్గా. ఓకే, బట్ వే ఆఫ్ ఆన్సరింగ్ సమ్ స్మాల్ చేంజెస్ దట్స్ యూ కెన్ టేక్ కేర్ అబౌట్ దెమ్. అక్కడ మీకు 25లో 20 ఈజీగా కవర్ చేయొచ్చు. కోడింగ్ డీకోడింగ్లో 10/10 డెఫినెట్లీ. ఐ కాంట్ లీవ్ ఇన్ వన్ క్వశ్చన్. నాకు ఫ్యాకల్టీగా చెప్పట్లేదు ఇది. ఓకే, 10/10 definitely will be scored. ICET standard coding decoding very easiest. అక్కడ 20, ఇక్కడ 10, 30 క్వశ్చన్స్ రీజనింగ్ ఆల్రెడీ అయిపోయినాయిగా. సో ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వెన్ డయాగ్రామ్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ సెకండ్ ఏరియా, ఈజీ క్వశ్చన్స్ 3 to 5. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ దేర్ ఇస్ నో వెన్ డయాగ్రామ్ ఏపీ ఐసెట్, డేటా ఇంటర్ప్రిటేషన్లో 2 సెట్స్ ఎట్లా ఖచ్చితంగా ఉంటాయి. 2 సెట్స్లో ఈజీ క్వశ్చన్ ఖచ్చితంగా ఉంటుంది. అండ్ అరైవల్, డిపార్చర్స్, అరేంజ్మెంట్, బ్లడ్ రిలేషన్, డైరెక్షన్, ఆల్ అదర్ 10 క్వశ్చన్స్. ఇక్కడ నుంచి మీరు ఈజీగా మినిమం చెప్తున్నా, ఇదంతా యావరేజ్ స్టూడెంట్ గురించి చెప్తున్నా. ఇక్కడ 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ చేసినా కూడా మీరు ఈజీగా 50 క్వశ్చన్స్, 20, 30, ఇక్కడ ఒక 5, 35, 40. ఓకే, 40 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఈజీ వీ కెన్ కవర్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ద 50. This is average. But if you're preparing some seriously, 50 easy we can cover, not much difficulty. Okay, na? Right. Next. So what are the topics? Series. 3 topics I said. Series, analogies, odd by note. Series as split by the number series separately, letter series separately, sometimes number and letter combination also, but it is very rare cases. Analogy, only number analogy, letter analogy, verbal analogy, that is related about words. Odd man out, number odd man out only, letter odd man out, and verbal odd man out also. Okay, see, these 3 topics are major important for ICET. Okay, now here coding decoding, clocks, calendars, blood relation, directions, symbols notations, seating arrangements, and arrival departures. 10 topics common for both states, AP and Telangana ICET. Weightage only slightly different, but not much different. అంత పెద్ద వేరియేషన్స్ ఏమి ఉండవండి. ద వేరియేషన్ కుడ్ బి అటౌన్ జస్ట్ ఓన్లీ +1 or -1 ఆ రేంజ్లోనే ఉంటాయి. బట్ ఓవరాల్ ద ఏపీ అండ్ తెలంగాణ ఐసెట్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఈక్వల్ లెవెల్స్లోనే ఉంటుంది. నౌ టాపిక్ వైజ్ స్ప్లిట్ ఆఫ్ ప్రీవియస్ ఎగ్జామ్. నౌ from the data sufficiency, number of questions 20. How many questions? 20 questions ఉంటాయి. ఇక్కడ మీరు 10 minutes, maximum 10 minutes we can spend. Of course it is easy because of data sufficiency will covered 20 questions. This is not a particular topic. You are already prepared reasoning, you are already prepared pure mathematics, you are already prepared quant. Then no need to separate to spend time again data sufficiency. మీరు అక్కడ ఎంత ప్రాక్టీస్ ఎక్కువ చేస్తే data sufficiency అంత తక్కువ టైం పడుతుంది. Data sufficiency is no what? No need to find any answer. I think మీకు అన్ని చెప్పుంటారు all the conditions of data sufficiency, right? So here 10 minutes అంటున్నారు కదా, చెప్పాను కదా, కానీ 10 minutes అవసరం పట్టదని నేను అంటున్నాను. We can complete it around 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, you can carry some 10 minutes also, few people, అందరి గురించి కాదు కదా. రైట్, డేటా ఇంటర్ప్రిటేషన్ అండ్ అనాలిసిస్, ఇది కూడా 10 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంది, బట్ 10 minutes అని చెప్తున్నాము. ఎప్పుడు? వెన్ 2 sets ఆఫ్ డేటా ఇంటర్ప్రిటేషన్ ఉంటాయి. ఇఫ్ వెన్ డయాగ్రామ్స్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్ 10 minutes is come to very less time. You can use the time from that. Reasoning 45 questions, 35 minutes. ఇది చాలా ఎక్కువ తెలుసమ్మా. 35 minutes, 35 minutes అవసరం లేదు. 25 minutesలో మీరు 25 to 30 minutesలో ఈజీ అన్ని ఆల్ 45 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఈజీగా కంప్లీట్ చేసేయచ్చు. ఎప్పుడు మినిమం బేసిక్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ వాంట్ టు గెట్ ద 17 square, I said to by heart them 30 squares. If I by hearted the 70 square, definitely get in few seconds. If some people are not by heart, they are solving on the paper 17 into 17. So వాళ్ళకి మాత్రమే 35 minutes కంటే ఎక్కువ టైం పడుతుంది. So just you have before you start exam, please be prepared 30 squares, 15 cubes and multiplication tables 20. Letters సంబంధించిన A to Z letters places 1 to 26 and find out opposite letters and corresponding letters. ఇవన్నీ బై హార్ట్ చేసిన వాళ్ళకి ఈ 45 minutes 45 questions 35 minutes అవసరమే లేదు. ఓకే, even if you write on the paper, okay, this is a maximum time. Next, important points to remember. So here important ఏంటంటే these are the four major topic from reasoning topic: series analysis, odd minute and coding decoding. Mix series analysis I said 15 questions, coding decoding 10 questions, odd minute is between 7 to 10 questions. Is a major portion to get the maximum marks from ICET 4 areas. Okay na? If 4 areas ke kavalsina requirement kuda same. When you preparing the series letter series, you will by heart that already that is a letter value. Same thing is coding decoding also. మళ్ళీ సపరేట్గా చదవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు కదమ్మా, అందుకే all 4 are almost is equally. Now say some, if you can come to the subject. In every class from the last many years, I said to those students to by heart the prime numbers. Still those are not by hearted like you also. ఇక్కడ మీరు క్లాస్లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళు కూడా ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ ఎంతమందికి వచ్చో నాకు తెలీదు, బట్ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ షుడ్ బి బై హెడ్ అప్ టు టిల్ 100, which are 25 prime numbers are here. It is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. These are all 25 numbers only. ఎంత టైం పడుతుందమ్మా బై హార్ట్ చేయడానికి? ప్రైమ్ numbers are most important because of, see, I will tell you. Examiner never focus అంటే not more focus about even number questions and an odd number questions. ఎందుకంటే even school students also they can easy to be identified which is even numbers and which are the odd numbers. So this information is known by examiner. వాడికి కూడా తెలుసు కదా. So examiner if want to make some confuses to you and something want to get difficulty to you, he had an option to prepare the question from only the prime numbers. వాడికి సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ లేదు. సో దీన్ని రివర్స్గా ఆలోచించండి. వేర్ అండ్ విచ్ area is examiner is concentrating to prepare the question, let us we prepare only that area, then why should I spend more time about even and odd numbers? Okay, when examiner is not much concentrated about them, and of course you are also always knows about even number or prime odd numbers, కాబట్టి దాని గురించి మీరు ఎంత ఎక్కువ చదివినా కూడా ఆ number of questions అయితే పెరగవు. So prime numbers are is concentrated. This is the list of the prime numbers are 25. Next, 30 squares and 20 cubes. This is a list. How many 30 squares are listed here? To make already classes lo cheppuntaru, but once again 15 cubes are enough, but his list is given for 20 cubes. Right. Okay. Next, some here this is important. Before you start the class, that is the basic part in the series class, we'll give the n forms table. N square plus n square minus n cube plus n cube minus n cube plus n square, n cube minus n square. But of course, sorry, here two columns are not joined. I will tell you. N square plus n by 2, two more columns are adding. N square minus n by 2 also. So here just a samples diagram we are showing on the screen. But this n is equal 1, 2, 3, 4 up to not even 10, up to 30 వరకు మీరు చేసి ఉండాలండి. Up to 30 వరకు, but not all columns. n cube plus n cube minus n cube plus n square, n cube minus n square. These four columns enough up to 15 వరకు చేసి స్టాప్ చేయండి. Why? What is importance are about here? From among the four topics I said series, number analogy, number odd man out. ఈ త్రీ టాపిక్సే కాకుండా సమ్ టైమ్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ యూ హ్యావ్ కోడింగ్ అండ్ డీకోడింగ్ లో వన్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ కూడా ఉంది. సో క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆర్ రిపీటెడ్ అరౌండ్ 8 to 10 questions of this table. To prepare the table even not even takes more than 1 hour. Okay, but after completion of the table there are the some numbers, some just you notice them, few numbers are repeated many times, for example I will show you here 150. The 150, the number is appear twice in the list, that is in the column of 5 cube plus 5 square. Okay, again the same it is mean of n cube plus n square. Same 150 is also appear in other way, 12 square plus 12 by 2. 12 square 144 plus 12 by 2 6 150, that is n square plus n by 2. Okay, so whenever we see 150 we'll get immediately our logic is either it could be n cube plus n square or n square plus n by 2. ఖచ్చితంగా ఈ రెండిట్లో ఒక లాజిక్ అయితే ఉండి తీరాల్సిందే. If you not done this table, so you try another kind of the logic, that is not working. Not even only 150, there are few more numbers also there repeat, maximum around 10 to 12 numbers se repeat hota hai. Just you identify them and round up. I will tell you one more, 210, which will be appear 14 square plus 14, 6 cube minus 6, 6 cube is 216 minus 6, next 15 square minus 15. And even if you come 60, 60 comes 4 cube minus 4, next 8 square minus 8 by 2, like that. Some numbers are repeated many times, those you identified and round up and highlight them. Round up chesara, highlight as you chesara, that is your wish, but it is important. And those are very help us to crack the question within few seconds. If you identify them within few seconds, we can easy to complete this. Next, here some list of alphabets and its place values, A to Z, 1 to 13 and 1426 is reverse is given. The some questions we are discussing here. In each of the questions given below, a sequence or number and letter that follow the definite pattern in given. Each question has blank place. This has to be filled by the correct answer from the four given options. Complete the sequence without breaking a pattern. Now, here is the question. Is general ga మనం exam లో ఎలా identify చేస్తాం? All the numbers are, if you look like, all the numbers are very close to each other. There is no at least two times of increasing. కనీసం ఏ రెండు numbers లో కూడా మధ్యలో కూడా it's not increasing by 2 times. So here we'll get now simple small difference we'll find out. Okay, 117 to 89, it's reducing of how much? 28. 89 to 65, how much it is? 24. But how much I reduce, I don't know after 65, just you can keep them. 29 to 17 is reducing is how much? Minus 12. Next, minus 8. If you notice all the numbers 8, 12, 24, 28, it's a multiple of 4. Yes, of course, a lot of people are is posted me answer. Here it is minus 20 and minus 16, multiples of 4. 65 minus 20, 45. The difference we got multiples of 4, reducing multiples of 4. Good. Good, everybody. Next. Yeah. See, this is set of the three numbers. Let us you see the relation between of every of the first number of each set, every second number of each set, every third number of each set. If you notice them, the first number 3 to 5, 5 to 8, 8 to 12. 3 to 5 plus 2, 5 to 8 is plus 3, 8 to 12 plus 4. According to the same pattern, plus 5. 12 plus 5 is 17. Okay, 17 started. See, ఇక్కడ మీకు ఒక అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఏంటంటే the first number 17 is started for option number 1, option number 2. Two second and fourth options are eliminated. Between second, first and third number different. Then you find out 5 to 7, 7 to 10, 7 to 15. 5 to 7 plus 2, 7, 10 plus 3, 10 to 15 plus 5. So it is 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5 is what? Prime numbers. The next prime number to be taken. 15 plus 7, 22. Between the first and second option, where the second number 22, option number 3. Enough. సో థర్డ్ నెంబర్ ఇక్కడ మనం డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేకుండానే ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఇన్ ఎగ్జామ్. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ యూ కెన్ లుక్ థర్డ్ నెంబర్, వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్యాటర్న్? 8 to 11, 11 to 16, 16 to 23. 8, 11 plus 3, 11, 16 plus 5, 16, 23 plus 7, 3, 5, 7. Next what? Odd numbers, 9. 23 plus 9, 32. 32 plus 7, 9, 11, 43. Yeah, it's matching. So yeah, already we got option number 3. See, advantage ఏంటంటే first number చేసాక option verify చేయండి. That is a very advantage to you. Now here it is. All the numbers are almost is very close here. Then just you find the difference. 1 to 5 plus 4, 5 to 21 plus 16, 21 to 57 plus 36, 57 to 121 plus 64. If you notices them, you will have some numbers. 4 is 2 square, 16, 4 square, 36, 6 square, 64, 8 square. According to this pattern, what next? 10 square to be added. So 100. 121 plus 100 is how much? 221. Option number 3 closed. Next. Yeah. See, here this is a question number 4. How many people ఎంతమంది చేస్తారో చూద్దాం ఒకసారి. No one. Right. See, మీకు లాజిక్ చెప్తాను చూడండి. If you notice the relation between numerator and denominator is very comfort. 2, 5, 11, 4. 2 plus 3, 5. 11 to 14 plus 3. So starting ending both the same, then we can find out same kind of the plus 3 plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. So denominator is matching with the 8. Option 1 and 4 eliminated. 2, 3. Then denominator is required. So if you notice the numerator 3, 2 square 4 minus 1. Here in the second fraction denominator 5. So 5 square 25 minus 2. In third fraction 11 denominator. So 11 square 121 minus 4. In last fraction denominator 14. 14 square 196 minus 5. So whichever the denominator, their square minus 1 minus 2 something minus 4 minus 5 means here I got denominator 8. 8 square minus 3 should be there. 8 square 64. 64 minus 3 what? 61. Option number 2. Yeah. చాలా తక్కువ మంది ఆన్సర్స్ రిప్లై చేశారు. Option 2. Next. In question number 5, here letters. T for 20, S for 19, Q for 17, P 16. Missing is 18. What is the 18th letter? Is R. The R is started first letter. Actually, no need to do ourselves that. Okay. Second letter is check. 7, G7, H8, J10, P11. Then What is the right now here? Ninth letter I. Second letter I. Then option 2 eliminated, option 4 also eliminated. So option 1 and 3 is matching. Option 1 and 3, third letter, let us see. H is 8, I is 9, K is 11, L is 12. Then 10th letter J. In which option between first and third option, third letter is J. Enough. Third option is enough. No need to do ourselves for fourth alphabet. Okay. సో మనకి 4 letters ఇచ్చారు కదా అని 4 times చేయాల్సిన నెసెసిటీ లేదమ్మా. బికాస్ ఫస్ట్ లెటర్స్ ఆర్ ఆప్షన్స్ ఆర్ అన్నిట్లో సేమ్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి సెకండ్ అండ్ థర్డ్ లెటర్ enough. This is advantage to get fast. Next. 1 minute. Now, in question number 6, here, if you notice, it's the numbers only. 9753, 9753. If odd numbers, prime kadu, 9 include. So another odd number is 1. Option 2 and 4 is eliminated. Then 1 and 2 is left. 258, 2 to 5, 5 to 8, 8 to 11. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. Then 11 plus 3, 14. 1 and 14, which is matching option number 1. N of your answer is close. How letter will get? No need to try. It's waste of the time. Of course, letters, if you can see also. If you can see, P16, R18, T20, V22. The difference is 2, 2, 2. Next to 24th letter X. Same answer, no change. So make it advantage yourself. Eliminate option is best version to get less time. Next, here, find an odd man out. Option number 1, 13 into 17 into 19. Please don't calculate it. Between into symbol is given, which does not mean to be calculate them. Okay. Identify the number 13, 17, 19, which are consecutive prime numbers. Second option, 3, 5, 7, consecutive, sorry, not odd numbers, 13, 17, 19, which are consecutive prime numbers. 3, 5, 7, also consecutive prime numbers. Third option, after 5, 7, okay, after 7, 11 is missing. Okay, just we can hold it. Fourth option, 11, 13, 17, also consecutive prime numbers. So, except in third option, all are consecutive prime numbers. All are consecutive prime numbers. Only third option is different. Next, question number 8. See, చూడ్డానికి అన్ని ఒకేలాగా ఉన్నాయి కదా, అన్ని all the numbers are given in the combination of 4646, but the digits were swap. చాలా మంది ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ అటెంప్ట్ చేయట్లేదు, బట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు జస్ట్ వెరిఫై ద divisibility rules. Divisibility rule of 11. Do you know what is the condition to check the number is divisible by 11? Sum of the alternate digits, the difference should be 0 or 11. For example, I am going to check fourth option. Sum of the alternate digits 4, 6, 10. Another alternate digits is 4, 6, 10. Difference is 0. So divisible by 11. 6, 4, 10. And again 4, 6, 10. Difference is 10, 0. Divisible by 11. Second option, 4, 6 is 10, 6, 4 is also 10, then difference is 0. So divisible by 11. But in option number 1, 4 plus 4 is 8, 6 plus 6 is 12. Difference is not 0 or not a multiple of 11. So except in option number 1, all are multiples of 11. All are multiples of 11. Multiples of 11. Option number 1 is correct. Next, KLM PQR UST VWX. Anybody answer so fast? Option number 3. Why? Because of all are consecutive alphabets. Increasing consecutive letters. KLM, PQR, VWX. Consecutive letters. All are consecutive alphabets, letters. Except in option number 3. Next. X square minus 144 is equal to 0. X square minus 169 is equal to 0. X square is minus 215 is equal to 0. X square minus 196 is equal to 0. Due to the option number 1, x value. Option number 1, x value is equal to plus or minus 12. From option number 2, x value is equal to plus or minus 13. Okay, option number 4, x is equal to, if you solve, then plus or minus 14. But in option number 3, we never get x perfect value. So, except in option number 3, all other equations are producing the integer as a factor, x value as a integer. X is integer value. Except in option number 3. Next. Watt, power, ampere, volt. Anybody? ఎవరైనా ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి. 2. Second option. Fourth option. Oh, third option. Multiple answers. I don't know what is the reason you said that one. I don't know. But all of them you wrong. Answer is option number what? Option number what? That is 1. Because the reason for them, see, except what? All other electrical quantities, power kani, ampere kani, volt kani, electrical quantities ni use chestam. Quantity ni use chestam. But what is a specific unit of a power? Watt అంటే 2 watts 3 watts అంటాం కదా, అది ఏంటంటే స్పెసిఫిక్ యూనిట్ ఆఫ్ పవర్. కానీ పవర్ ఆంపియర్ వోల్ట్స్ ఈజ్ ఎలక్ట్రికల్ క్వాంటిటీస్. All are electrical quantities. Except in what? Option number 1. Next, 12th. Here it is analogy. Question number 12th. 12 related to 36, then what is related to 80? Anybody? Anyone answer, please? Okay. Here I told you to write, previously I given some table, that is what I will find out. Yeah, who done this table? Definitely they can easy to handle that questions. Is it right? See here. Once again, I will show the screen. 12 will be written by in the part of the combination of the square and cube. 2 cube plus 2 square, 36. 3 cube plus 3 square, 80. 4 cube plus 4 square, according to the same. 5 cube plus 5 square, how much? 150. Option 4. 36 we written 2 cube plus 2 square, not even the directly 6 square also. Next. 11 by 13, 13 by 15, 19 by 21. 11. Numerator relations. 11 to 13. Consecutive prime numbers. Then after 19, the prime number is 23. But denominator 11, 15, odd numbers are plus 2, whatever. Okay, odd numbers. 21 after odd number is 23. So finally answer is 23 divided by 23, option 4. Next. Yeah, this is a matrix. 8 minus 4 minus 7 9. I think మీకు డెట్ ఫార్ములా ఐడియా ఉందమ్మా ఎవరికైనా? A B C D. If it is matrix, డెట్ ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? AD minus BC. ఇది డెట్ ఫార్ములా. AD minus BC. Yes, Lokesh is posted. Good, nice. Yes, good, nice. Okay. See, det of 8 minus 4 minus 7 9 is equal 44. Which matrix is that value 72? Okay, let us will go through option number 1. Okay, 12 into 10 minus of minus 6 into 8, how much is 120 plus 48? No, it's not equal to 72. No. Second option, 12 into 10 minus 6 into 8. 12 into 10 is 120 minus 6 is a 48. Yes, equal to 72. I got 72, then option number 2, enough, you're closed. Like we can do each and every option, it is better. Square related to 64, then triangle. I think this same question is available in our textbook also. Yes. Oh, already answer I received. Square means here 4 sides, then 4 cube is 64. Triangle is 3 sides, so 3 cube is 27. Option 1 is correct. 16th, OTQN is related to QWYU, then PRHI. See here the values, if you write O15, T20, Q17, N14, Q17, W23, V22, U21. Then find the logic. First two letters 15 to 17 plus 2, 20 to 23 plus 3, 17 to 22 plus 5, 14 to 21. How much? Plus 7. Plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Prime numbers. Please execute here also. Plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 and plus 7. P16 plus 2, 18 R. Okay, all options are start with R is 18 plus 3, 21 U. You have only one option is matching with the 4, enough. Then H is 8 plus 5, 13 M. Of course, same option. I is 9 plus 7, 16 P. Option 4. Next. P by S related to 61 by 91. P for 16. 16 will get a reverse. 61. S is 19. We get reverse is 91. Same logically, U21. If you make it reverse 12. M13. If you make it reverse is 31. 12 by 31. Choice from 2. Next. Coming to about this coding decoding lo, one of the type of passages are here. Based on the following coding system and the conditions 1, 2, 3 and 4 given. Here these are the conditions 1, 2, 3, 4 and answer the following questions and use the table also. What is the conditions are here? Let us see. In a group, if the first element is even digit and the last element is a letter, then interchange the codes. Second, In a group, the first and last elements are letters. Both are letters. Then code both of them is pi. In a group, the first element is odd digit and the last element is letter. Then code both of them is theta. In a group, the first element is a letter and the last element is even digit. Interchange the respective codes. So next question I am showing you. Question number 18 here in the right side, and the conditions again till is open. In the question number 18, P is a letter, last element L also be letter. So both letter, starting is letter, ending is letter. Condition number 2 matching C. First and last elements are the letters. What to do? Code both of these pi. So first is pi, last is pi. Any option is here matching? Yeah, second option is eliminated, fourth option eliminated. Only 1 and 3. If you notice as first and third option combination, both second element square same, both third element alpha same, both star. Fourth element ఇక్కడ different గా ఉంది చూడండి, star and pound symbol. So fourth element తీసుకోండి PGM2. 2. What is the code of 2 from the table? He is given dollar symbol. Dollar symbol third option. Enough. అన్ని లెటర్స్ చేయకండి అమ్మా, ఇట్స్ వేస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద టైమ్ టు యూర్స్ రైట్. టైం హౌ టు సేవ్ ద టైం అనేది చెక్ చేసుకోండి ఎలాంగ్ విత్ ఆన్సర్. ఆన్సర్ ఒకటే ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాదు, టు గెట్ అవర్ రీచ్ డెస్టినీ ఆన్సర్, హౌ టు సేవ్ టైం. థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ ఎనఫ్ యూ క్లోజ్డ్. నెక్స్ట్ 19th. See what is the code for 3 is odd digit and F is a letter. First element is odd, last element is letter. Condition number 3 matching C. First element is odd digit, last element is letter, then the code of both of them theta. Where in which option theta starting and ending? Option 1 eliminated, option 4 eliminated, 2 and 3. In compare the second and third option, where is the difference? See last from second element, triangle, and here is a minus symbol. Last from the second element is 7 in the question. Just verify the 7 in the code, in the list of the code table. 7 is coded symbol for minus. Then option 2 also eliminated and third option enough. And only in few seconds are is completed this kind of questions. Next, what is the code for 2BAMKIN? 2 is even and n is letter. Starting is even element, last is letter. The condition number 1 is matching. First element is even digit and the last element is a letter. Then interchange their respective codes. Okay. What is the code of 2 given? Dollar symbol. So ending is dollar. Okay. Third option is eliminated because of ending element is dollar. And n is coded at the rate. At the rate should happens all options except third. So first, second, fourth. Now in the first, second, fourth option, all the second options are same, third option element same, fourth option element, fourth element is m. What is m coded? Alpha. So first option chance, second option, then fourth option eliminated. So third and four eliminated, but one and second option, last from second element is different. I is coded percentage. Where it is percentage? Option 2. Even third, first also eliminated. Enough, you closed. Just in 10 seconds, our answer is enough. Next. 21. What is the code of UZH518? Okay, I'll give only 10 seconds time. Please, anybody can answer. First, I'm waiting. Who makes answer first? Let us see. Amir is posted to. Anyone other people, please? Why the three? So you takes lot of time. Please, I will find. What is the code of U? U is a letter and the last one 8 is even number. Letter starting is letter, ending is even number. Condition number 4 is matching. First element is a letter and last element is even, then interchange the respective codes. So what is the U code? U code from the list is not equal. Not equal should be taken the last place. Of course, in all option matching. 8. What is the 8 code? Star. Which option is starting with star? Everything. Yeah, all four valid. And four options low. Second place of element is same. Third place of element something changes. H. H is coded theta. Then option 1 eliminated, second eliminated, third eliminated, even fourth option. Right? Next. What is code for 3BFLK2? 3 odd, 2 even. Any condition please from these? No conditions. When no condition is matching about them, first is odd number, last is even number. No need to use apply the condition. The condition when is possible execute, then you can. If not, then directly take from the table. Enough your answer is closed. Then now here, what is the code of 3 dot? That means option 1, option 2 eliminated. 3 and 4. What is the difference? Second element B. What is the code of B? Symbol place. Then third option eliminated, fourth option enough, closed. See, for this question number 22, what is in a A4 condition could satisfy one up to no need. Directly get all the elements from the table only. If condition satisfied, we will try execute them. Next. Here, coding and decoding one small kind of question, paragraph like time is precious is coded as her for per, value is plain is coded as let pet to for, plain a time is coded as pet to hit to per. Then what is value? మీరు అన్ని చేయాల్సిన అవసరం మనం వాల్యూ ఒకటే కావాలి. వాల్యూ ఎక్కడ ఉంది? హియర్ in the second sentence value. So there is no other value means is plan should be terminated. Is first sentence time is precious, value is plain, is coded for what is the common, is a common. So what is the common terms of the code terms? Her, for, per. For is common, for, gone for is. Next to plain. Plain here second sentence and third sentence plain and plain. So remaining let and pet low, and third sentence as coding pet to hit to per low. Pet is common. When pet is gone for plain, so automatically value is code for let. Option number 1 is completed. So what is other words? Time precious not to identify. మీ టార్గెట్ ఏంటంటే వాల్యూ. వాల్యూని టార్గెట్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. Next. If kind is the word is coded as 11091404, then stay. It's simple. So every letter is coded to two digits. K. According to English alphabetical values, K for 11 is written. I 9. 9 is written 09. N is 14 here. And D is 04 here. Similarly, stay. STAY. Yes, 19 T20 A1 means 01 Y25. Where is where is 19 20 01 25? Option 4. Next, Venn diagrams. In the diagram given below, the circle represents men. Okay, the men are in the circles. The triangle represents educated people. triangles are educated, and rectangle represent the employed. Rectangle is employed, and the square represent the persons belongs to the joint families. Okay. Each section of the diagram is denoted by some digits. Make every small portion here covered by some kind of digits. Observe the figure and answer the questions from 66 and 67. Two questions. On 60, next question number 25. The region number 7 represent. ఇక్కడ చిన్న mistake కూడా జరిగింది. Okay, I will show you. The region number is 7. 7 is here, which is a part of men circle, which is a part of triangle educated, which is a part of rectangle employed, but it is not in the part of joint family. Joint family లో ఉండట్లేదు అంటే ఏంటి, న్యూక్లియర్ ఫ్యామిలీలో ఉండాలి. So the 7 number belongs to the men and educated employed, but is not belongs to joint family, ledante belongs to nuclear family, but no such option is given. First option chudandi, educated employee, male employees, men anna male anna okate kada, male employees who belongs to ikkada joint family kaadu, sorry chinna correction, nuclear family అని ఉండాలి. This is some mistake from our side. Okay, option 1 only will take. Second option, uneducated, not possible. Fourth option, uneducated, not possible. Third option, educated employed woman is given, but is 7 is a part of men. Okay, that's why it is not. Only option 1, but we can change instead of joint family, nuclear families. Next, the region number 3 represent. Now I am giving you option. Please, 26th question answer I am waiting from you. Please post me fast. Amid option is 3. Verify once. Okay, let us find out. Where is 3 representation here? 3, it is in the part of circle, educated. 3, it is in the part of square, giant family. 3, it is part of rectangle, employed. But 3, it is not in the part of circle, which are not men's. So మీరు option 3 చెప్పారు కదా. Okay, educated employed men, but 3 is not in the part of circle, men లో ఉండకూడదు. Your option number 3 is wrong. Please verify once again. Lokesh, Amir, once again. Anybody? Vaidik is fourth option. Bala Krishna Bajaj is option 1. Okay, fourth option చూద్దాం. Educated unemployed, sorry, it is a part of employed. Option 4 is wrong. Option 1 is correct. Educated triangle, employed rectangle, women. ఎందుకంటే సర్కిల్లో లేదు కదా, సర్కిల్లో ఉంటే men. Out of the circle we can called as women. Okay, belongs to joint family. Option only 1 correct. The people who belongs to in this part of circle, those we can call women. Out of the circle everyone will called as women's కాదు అంటే, sorry, men's కాదు అంటే women's ega. Next, if a clock shows 20 minutes to pass to 6 hours 25 minutes, then angle between the two hands is, మీకు క్లాస్ లో ఫార్ములాస్ చెప్పుంటాం కదా. theta is equal to 30h minus 11/2 m. Substitute, where h is equal to 6 hours, m is equal to minutes 25. Substitute, theta is equal to 30 into 6 minus 11/2 m is 25. Then theta is equal to 180 minus 2 ones are 212.5. 11 into 2 12.5 is 5731, 137.5. Then theta is equal to What? 42.5 degrees. 42.5, option number 4. Next. If today is Thursday, which day will be 75 days later? Okay. Today, given Thursday. So after 75 days later, after 75 days is equal to today plus 75 days. Then today is Thursday plus 75 days. How many odd days? Odd days. Odd days ఎన్ని ఉంటాయమ్మా? 75 divisible by 7. Odd days ని find out చేస్తున్నాను. 75 divisible by 7. 7 tens are 70. Remainder 5. So 5 odd days అంటాం. When 5 odd days అయితే Thursday after 5. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Option 3. Next. In a family of 4 persons, A is father of B. Blood relations law. A is father. Father always before generation. Gender plus symbol is known as male. A is father of B. Whose wife is C? Ante B's wife. B have a wife, C means C female, then B automatically male. And D is a granddaughter of A. Granddaughter means this couple B and C's children is D is a granddaughter. Then how many female members are there in the family? Who are the females are here? C is a female, D also female. 2 females from the family. Option number 2. Next. There are 6 friends P, Q, R, S, T and U sitting around a circular table. Not necessary in the same order. Now I will give just only 30 seconds of time to you two students, please. Is anybody answer so fast, please? I am waiting your answer. Please fast. Who posted first? Let us see. చాలా టైం తీసుకుంటున్నారమ్మా. Okay, I will find out. See here, P is sitting opposite to F. You can start any of the opposite of 6 positions, P and S. Enough. Q is to the left of P. Left means towards clockwise. Then Q should be here. While R is not adjacent to U, keep the condition because of up to now R and U not exist. U sits adjacent to P. One side of P already clear, other side is definitely U. When U is not adjacent of R means definitely R here. Who is remaining is T. Then the question is, who sitting opposite to Q? Opposite of Q is T. Simple. It not even takes 30 seconds also. For any real number A and B, if A at the rate B is equal to A minus B plus 3AB, then 3 at the rate 5 at the rate 2 at the rate 1. First of all, 3 at the rate 5, let us will substituted in the given formula of A minus B plus 3AB. That is 3 minus 5 plus 3 into 3 into 5. How much will get 3 minus, okay, 3 into 5, sorry, 3 into 3 into 5 is 45 minus 2, 43. Next, 2 at the rate 1, which is known as 2 minus 1 plus 3 into 2 into 1. How much? 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 6, 7. Next, let us will find out the same thing. 43 at the rate 7. Formula 43 minus 7 plus 3 into 43 into 7. 43 minus 7 is 36 plus 3 into 43 into 7. 3 into 43. 3 into 43, 129 into 7, 903. So 36 plus 903 is option 4, 939. Next, in the symbol at the rate, dollar, percentage and represent the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. That means at the rate known is addition, dollar is known as subtractions, percent is known as multiplications, and symbol known as what? Division. And you use calculate these equations. I'll give 30 seconds time to you, please. 30 seconds only about this. Anybody? No one? No one is posted now. Okay, I will tell you. And use the 12 at the rate A, that is 12 plus 8. Percentage is into $10 6, 10 minus 6, and symbol that is divided by $12 minus 2 divided by $12 3, that is 12 minus 3, percentage into 10 at the rate 6, 10 plus 6, and symbol divided by 3 at the rate, sorry, 3 at the rate means plus 3. Now 12 plus 8 is 20 into 10 minus 6, 4 divided by 12 minus 2, 10. Okay, this is next 12 minus 3. Sorry, 9. 10 plus 6 is 16 divided by 3 plus 3, 9. Okay, sorry, 3 plus 3, 6. Now we have a chance to cancel. 10 ones are 10 twos are, that is 4 twos are 8. By ఇక్కడ క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. 3 twos are 3 threes are 2 ones are 2 8s are 24. 8 by 24. Option 3. 8 by 24, even if you can simplify 1 by 3 also, sometime option is available. 1 by 3 or 8 by 24, whichever is available, you can keep options. Next. Direction సంబంధించిన questions. Raja start from his house, travel 5 kilometers towards north. Here, it started from the place towards north, how much? 5. And then he turned his right. Right means towards east and travel 8 kilometers. 8 kilometers more. Then he traveled 3 kilometers to his left. From this place, left means north direction, 3 kilometers. followed by 7 kilometers to his right. Right means towards east 7. Okay, now 7. Reach his workplace. This is a workplace. Now the question, how far is his house from the workplace? How far? Now we need to find out the distance of this, shortest distance always. That is here, this kind of hypotenuse. So make it two other kind of lines, which is a horizontal and vertical line. Now it's make a right angle triangle, 90 degrees. Pythagoras theorem apply cheyali. Right angle triangle Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is called sum of the vertical and horizontal squares. This is a vertical square is known as how much? 3 plus 5 is 8. And this length is horizontal line is known as 8 plus 7 is 15. So hypotenuse if it is x, aithe x square is called vertical square is 8 square, hypotenuse square is called 15 square. 8 square 64 plus 225. Then x square is equal to 289. Then x is equal to 17 kilometers. Your option from 2. Next. As per the timetable, it's a very simple, Amma. Very simple and easiest question. Anybody answer, please? I will wait your posting. Yeah, it's a very simple actually. Almost everyone is experienced about this situation when you went to the railway station and you're asked to the enquiry man when your train will come, they will respond you and you calculated your timing. So finally, simple. This is a situation we are already experienced in our life. See, as per the timetable, a leaves. Local train leaves the station at regular intervals of 35 minutes. అంటే ప్రతి 35 నిమిషంలకు ఒకసారి ట్రైన్ వస్తుందంట. ఇట్స్ లీవ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద స్టేషన్స్. ఓకే, రీచింగ్ ద స్టేషన్, అక్కడి నుంచి వెళ్ళడం రావడం. ఓకే, ఏ పర్సన్ లెర్న్ that a train left 15 minutes ago. Already 15 minutes back, one train is left from the station. But every 35 minutes, the train is available means 15 minutes back already is gone. So means then more 20 minutes are left to catch another trains. అర్థమవుతుందా? For every 35 minutes కి ట్రైన్ వస్తుంది, but already the one train is left 15 minutes back. Ante next another 20 minutes the train will come. So next train is at the 7:30. After 20 minutes the train will come, which is at the time is 7:30 అన్నమాట. ఇక్కడ వాడు ఇచ్చాడు, మనం చెప్పట్లేదు. The next train is available at 7:30, which is 20 minutes after at present time. So what time did the person arrive at the station? అంటే ప్రజెంట్ టైం ఎంత? 20 minutes తర్వాత ట్రైన్ వస్తుంది, అది 7:30కి. అంటే నౌ ద టైమ్ ఈజ్ ఆన్ యువర్ వాచ్ is 7:10. ఆప్షన్ నంబర్ 2. Yes, Lokesh and Amir is both are you right? Next. Okay. For 34 questions we are completed successfully. Now here Now, here, please, all the questions just model which are given. This kind of models regularly in ICET examinations. Not exactly the same, just related, slightly different are only here. Okay. Now, here time to ask you your personal doubts, anything about the ICET examinations of both the states. 1 minute. Please, anybody question me? Any doubts? regarding this exams? Vaishnavi, 1 minute.
నేను ఎగ్జిట్ అయిపోయినా
అవునా? ఓకే,
సెషన్ ని అందుకే
ఓకే,
ఉండండి నో ప్రాబ్లం
రైట్, ఓకే, రైట్. Uh, someone is posted me, sir, if we prepare last 5 years papers, we will get above 100 easily. We want mathematical ability session, sir. Can you please? Maybe it will be scheduled. I don't know about that. Mathematical sessions also will become soon. It may be. I don't know exactly the time. They will send you. Okay, definitely they will inform you about the mathematics and session once, quant session once, and DA, DS together also one session once. Okay, definitely, definitely. There is no issue about it. Is there any other doubts you want to ask me? Please ask me about exam sessions. లాస్ట్ అమ్మ ఇక్కడ 5 years పేపర్స్ పోస్ట్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుందా అంటే సి మీరు ఇక్కడ 5 years పేపర్ క్వశ్చన్స్ని బట్టి పట్టడం కాదు. ఆ 5 years పేపర్స్లో ఉన్న క్వశ్చన్స్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఉంటుంది కదా, మినిమం ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్, బేసిక్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఒకటి ఉంటుంది కదా, అది చదవాలమ్మా. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ హియర్. ఓకే, ఎందుకంటే క్వశ్చన్ నాట్ పర్టికులర్. ఒక్కసారి ఎగ్జామ్లో వచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్ మళ్ళీ అదే వస్తుందని గ్యారంటీ లేదు కదమ్మా, ఎక్కడా లేదు. సో అమేర్, డూ అండర్స్టాండ్ వాట్ ఐమ్ సేయింగ్ హియర్? సే 5 years పేపర్ మీకు మోడల్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఆ మోడల్ సంబంధించిన రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ ఏంటి, ఏది చదువుకుంటే ఈ క్వశ్చన్ని హ్యాండిల్ చేస్తాము, ఆ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ బేసిక్ పార్ట్ చదువుకో, అండ్ దెన్ యూ సాల్వ్ ద క్వశ్చన్. దట్స్ బెటర్. అందుకని ఓన్లీ దట్ పర్టికులర్లీ 5 years క్వశ్చన్స్ ఓన్లీ చదువుకుంటా అంటే సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆర్ నెవర్ రిపీటెడ్ ఎనీ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్. రిమెంబర్, నాట్ ఈవెన్ ఐసెట్. ఓకే, రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ ప్లీజ్. Anybody want? Anybody? Yeah, please. Can you please tell about rankings? Uh, G baby అని ఉన్నారు. I don't know is a girl or boy. Okay. ర్యాంకింగ్ అనేది మనం చెప్పలేమమ్మా. ఆఫ్టర్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్స్, ఎగ్జామ్ తర్వాత అకార్డింగ్ టు యువర్ మార్క్స్ చెప్పొచ్చు. దాన్ని మనం ఇప్పుడు డిసైడ్ చేయడానికి లేదు. అండ్ ర్యాంక్ సెలక్షన్ ప్రాసెస్ గురించి, కాలేజ్ అలాట్మెంట్స్ గురించి మీకు మళ్ళీ సెషన్ అనేది ఒకటి అయితే ఉంటుంది కంపల్సరీ ఆఫ్టర్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్. ఆఫ్టర్ ప్రొడ్యూసింగ్ ద ర్యాంక్ కార్డ్ ఆఫ్ యువర్స్, యూ హ్యావ్ ఛాన్స్. ఓకేనా? మీ రిజర్వేషన్ని బట్టి, మీ ఫైనాన్షియల్ స్టేటస్ని బట్టి కాలేజ్ అలొకేషన్ అనేది జరుగుతుంటుంది అనమాట. మీకు ర్యాంక్స్ అలాట్మెంట్ అయిన తర్వాత, ఎగ్జామ్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత రిజల్ట్ వస్తుంది కదా, రిజల్ట్ రాగానే యూ కన్సర్న్ యువర్ నియరెస్ట్ టైమ్ సెంటర్లు కానీ, లేదంటే మీకు ఎవరైనా అథారిటీస్ ఎవరైనా టైం ఉంటే యూ కన్సర్న్ దెమ్. దే విల్ గివ్ ద ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. మీ ఇన్కమ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ నుంచి, క్యాస్ట్ గురించి అన్నీ చూసుకొని మీకు కాలేజ్ అలాట్మెంట్ అనేది మేము మీకు సజెస్ట్ చేస్తాము. అండ్ యు ఆర్ ప్రిపేరింగ్ ఫర్ ఎంసీఏ ఆర్ ఎంబీఏ, డిపెండ్స్, అది ఏది ఉంటే అది, దాన్ని బట్టి కాలేజ్ రిఫరెన్స్ అనేది జరుగుతుంది. కానీ ప్రజెంట్ ఓన్లీ ఇప్పుడే ర్యాంక్ గురించి చెప్పడానికి లేదు. ఎనీ అదర్ ప్లీజ్? Yeah, please, any questions? Yeah, if you don't have, sir, data sufficiency, how? హౌ అంటే ఐ డోంట్ నో, అంటే ఎలా చేయాలా లేకపోతే సెషన్ కావాలా? మహమ్మద్ అమీర్, క్వశ్చన్స్, ఐ డోంట్ నో యువర్ క్వశ్చన్. Yeah, session they will provide you. No issues about it. Definitely they will provide you the session for data sufficiency and interpretation రెండు కలిపి ఒక సెషన్ లో వస్తుంది మీకు డెఫినెట్లీ. No, but information present I don't know. That is they send you that information, but maybe in this week. I'm not sure exactly. Okay. About this class reasoning, please ask me anything. I will tell you. Thank you for the session, sir. Okay, get some confidence, sir. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. Can we log out all of us? Yeah, please. Thank you, Amma. Thank you very much. Is there any doubts? Please ask me. I'm here. Yes. Shraddha, Shiva, Amir, Kodali, Lokesh, G baby, dus 1 minute. Air, what about analogy? Air, what about analogy ante? Okay. Yeah, analogy questions right now we discussed. Number analogy, letter analogy, we discussed few questions right now also. Analogy means what? The question is presented like with the symbol, ratio, proportion like that. That is the kind of question is called as analogy. But if చెప్పాను కదా 12 relate, I will show you one question to you. Okay, for your clarity, I will show you the question. The questions we are already discussed about them. Yeah. See on the screen, please. Yeah, that is a question which is I given showing the screen. That is a called an analogy question. Few questions we discussed. So which information, the basics part you prepared about the number series, same information also here carry forward. అదే background information అదే ఉంటుంది. Okay. Next. That's only right. Any doubts, please ask me immediately. No doubts. Then session is going to end. Thank you. Thank you very much. All of you, thank you very much. Right. Thank you.